Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about best low maintenance short haircuts and hairstyles for working women in 2025. If you are a busy woman who wants to look stylish every day without spending too much time on your hair, this video is just for you. Working woman needs hairstyles that are quick, easy and professional. Short hair is perfect because it's simple to manage and still looks elegant. With the right haircut, you can save time every morning and still look confident and put together at work. Short haircuts also keep you cool, fresh and comfortable all day, especially if you have a busy schedule or community. Whether your work is an office, teach or run your own business, low maintenance short haircuts also keep you cool, fresh and comfortable. Whether you work in an office or teach in school, here are some of the best and traditions short styles for working women 2025. Classic bob cut, layered pixie cut, textured crop cut, short shake up, side parted bob. All of these haircuts require very little styling, just wash, dry and go. Here are a few quick styling tips to make your short hair look great every day. Use a light mouse or volume spray to add body. Keep a round brush handy for a quick blow dry to shape your layers. For a sleek look, apply a bit of hair serum for shine and smoothness. If you want a casual style, simply tussle your hair with your finger. Short hair looks great even slightly messy. And the best part, these hairstyles keep their shape all day long, even after a long work day. So these were the best low maintenance short haircut and hairstyles for working women in 2025. Modern, simple and effortlessly beautiful. Choose the one that matches your personality and lifestyle and you will always look confident and ready for success. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and share my video, like my video. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.